today I want to share with you a very delicious stuffed croissant with ham and cheese that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, showing you what type of cheese I am using for these croissants. I am using provolone. Look at this. Let me show you how easy it is to enjoy with your beautiful family this amazing croissant. Of course, those little papers are to separate each slice of provolone cheese. And here I have the honey ham. Choose any kind of ham you have at home. But let me tell you, this ham is delicious. What I'm going to do now is show you what package I have of the croissants. 8 comes in the roll. And of course, you could bake it in the oven or you could do it in the air fryer. You decide. But now I am ready to take and peel this tube. And like always, I peel everything and it's so hard for it to open. I have to dab it a little bit on the countertop and then I am ready to roll out the dough. Look at this. This is so easy to prepare, and if you have little ones at home, bring them in the kitchen. Have them help you so they start loving the recipes you make for them. Look at this. I'm going to help myself with the knife and I'm going to be slicing away the strips. Being very careful, I'm going to slice every single one. Of course, there's 8 slices of this dough. I'm just going to separate it. And then I am ready to start making and rolling out these croissants. Look how easy this is. You get a piece of your ham, a slice of the provolone cheese, and then just wrap it up like a taquito. Put it aside. Start spreading a little bit the top portion of your dough. You want to spread it a little bit without tearing it apart. Okay, I'm going to put it in the center. Cover the sides so the cheese doesn't come out. Of course, the cheese almost every time it comes out, but when it comes out in the oven, it's nice and crispy and everybody is fighting over the nice and crispy cheese. And now this is the second option. Roll all your ham and cheese taquitos, leave them on the side, continue rolling them so that it's easier for you to roll them on the dough when you have all the rolled taquitos ready. Look how easy this is. You could enjoy this with a delicious orange juice in the morning if you're on the go and you don't have time to make a breakfast. Well, this is a delicious breakfast. You could enjoy it with orange juice, with a delicious coffee, you name it. But let me tell you, once you make this at home, you could enjoy it at any time. And if you have little ones, why, I'm sure they're going to have so much fun rolling the ham and the cheese. Well, here I'm going to continue finishing the rest. Once this is done, then I am ready to show you how they look from the inside. Look how beautiful this looks. You could really see the cheese inside the ham. Look how amazing. This is such an easy recipe with ingredients that you find in any supermarket that I'm sure you're going to love. I have a baking dish all ready with parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to the baking dish. I'm going to spread a little bit with the seam side down, and then I am ready to cover the sides first and then just roll it up. Look how beautiful this looks. I know that it's time consuming, but at the end, you're really going to enjoy this mini croissant stuffed with the ham and cheese. Look how easy this is. If I could do it, you could do it. And it only takes about 12 minutes to cook in the oven, 350 Fahrenheit. When you're doing this, remember to always preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for about 12 to 13 minutes until they are golden brown from the top. Of course, every oven is different. But when you see them nice and fluffy and golden brown, you are ready to remove them. And they're gonna taste amazing. Be careful, slice a little bit at a time, just like that, and then continue rolling out and making that little indentation, the little space in the center. Try not to tear the dough. This dough is very fragile, so try not to tear it so that everything really stays inside. And don't worry if the cheese comes out, well, everybody's going to be fighting for the little crispy and delicious cheese that come out of the croissants. Look at this. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to Cooking with Gloria so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Well, this is done. There's no need to add anything on top. You don't need to brush them with milk, brush them with egg. You don't need to brush them with anything. As is, put them in the oven, in a nice and hot oven, 350 Fahrenheit, and leave them in there for 12 to 13 minutes. And they're ready to go. Here, I'm bringing them out. The cheese came out, but this looks amazing and it smells delicious. I want to show you how they look. They're nice and crispy from the top, nice and crispy from the bottom, and that cheese, oh my gosh, nice and gooey. After about 5 minutes, I am ready to show you how they look from the inside. They are so crispy. Amazing. I'm ready to show you how they look from the inside. Just delicious. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. With ham and cheese. Look at this. Perfect. Easy to bake, easy to prepare, and I'm sure your family is going to love them. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.